Hey, Jake, how's your day going?
Hey, Emma. Pretty busy, as always. There's so much to do today. What tasks are you working on?
I have to finish the monthly report and send it to the manager. What about you?
I'm handling some client emails and preparing a presentation for next week's meeting.
That sounds important. By the way, has our boss asked you to work overtime recently?
Yes, a couple of times this month. I had to stay late last Friday to finish a project. What about you?
Me too. Last week, I had to stay an extra 2 hours to complete some reports. Have you ever had to work on weekends?
Unfortunately, yes. There were a few times when deadlines were tight and I had to come in on a Saturday.
I know what you mean. I've also had to work some weekends. Do you ever take work home?
Sometimes. If I have too much to do, I take my laptop home and finish it at night. Do you do that too?
Yes, but I try to avoid it. I prefer to separate work and personal life.
Same here, but sometimes there's just no other choice. Do you think we work too much?
Honestly, sometimes it feels like it. But I do enjoy my job, so I don't mind putting in extra effort when needed. What about you?
I enjoy my job too, but I think work-life balance is important. Do you think our boss notices when we stay late or work extra hours?
I hope so. It would be nice to get some recognition for the extra effort.
I agree. Maybe we should ask for some extra time off in exchange for the overtime we've done.
That's a great idea. We should bring it up in our next meeting.
Yes. By the way, do you have a lot left to do today?
Just a few more things, but I should be done by 5 p.m. What about you?
I think I'll have to stay a bit longer. I have to finish my presentation.
Well, don't work too late. Try to get some rest.
Thanks, Emma. You too. See you tomorrow.
See you, Jake.